Sri Ramakrishna remained silent a few moments, watching the devotees. He had heard that Mohimacharun did not believe in following a guru. He began the conversation again. Master, a man should have faith in the words of his guru. He doesn't have to look into his guru's character. Though my guru visits the grog shop, still he is the embodiment of eternal bliss. A man who used to give recitals of the Chundi and the Bhagavata once said, "A broomstick is itself unclean, but it cleans dirty places." Mohimacharun studied the Vedanta. His aim was to attain Brahmajnana. He followed the path of knowledge and was always reasoning. Master, to Mohima, the aim of the Jnani is to know the nature of his own self. This is knowledge. This is liberation. The true nature of the self is that it is the Supreme Brahman. I and the Supreme Brahman are one. But this knowledge is hidden on account of Maya. I said to Horish, "This is the whole thing. The gold is hidden under a few basketfuls of earth, and you must remove the earth." The Bhaktos retain eye consciousness. The Jnanis do not. Nangta used to teach how to establish oneself in the true self, saying, "Merge the mind in the buddhi, and the buddhi in the Atman. Then you will be established in your true self." But the I persists. It cannot be got rid of. Imagine a limitless expanse of water. Above and below, before and behind, right and left. Everywhere there is water. In that water is placed a jar filled with water. There is water inside the jar and water outside. But the jar is still there. The I is the jar. Even after attaining knowledge, the Jnani keeps his body as before. But the fire of knowledge burns away his lust and other passions. Many days ago, during an electric storm, a thunderbolt struck the Kali temple. We saw that no injury had been done to the doors. Only the points of the screws were broken. The doors are the body, and the passions, lust and so forth, are the screws. A Jnani loves to talk only about God. He feels pained if one talks about worldly things. But a worldly man belongs to a different class. He always has the turban of ignorance on his head. He always comes back to worldly topics. The Vedas speak of the 7 planes of mind. When the Jnani's mind ascends to the 5th plane, he cannot listen to anything or talk of anything but God. At that stage, only words of wisdom come from his lips. The Vedas speak of Satchidananda Brahman. Brahman is neither one nor two. It is between 1 and 2. It cannot be described either as existence or as non-existence. It is between existence and non-existence.